Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a macrame decoration with two colours. I am using a wooden ring and 4 pieces of macrame cord which I cut 80 cm long. 2 are pink and 2 are purple, but you can use any 2 colours of your choice. To start off, make 4 lark's head knots on the wooden ring. Now using the 2 cords in the centre, make 4 double hitch knots working towards the right. For the other side, use the middle cord as holding cord and make double hitch knots towards the left. In the centre of the design, make 1 square knot. You can see how to do this in detail in my previous video. Use the cord on the far right as holding cord and make 3 double hitch knots towards the centre on both sides. To close the diamond shape, make another knot towards the left. Starting in the centre, use the 4th piece of cord from the right and create another diamond, but without a square knot this time. Join the 2 sides together with another knot towards the right. Now use the outer cords as holding cords and make double hitch knots towards the centre. To make a gathering knot, take an extra piece of cord which is approximately 40 cm long and make a U shape underneath the design. Wrap it tightly around the cords and tuck it in the loop created in the extra cord. Pull the top cord to tighten the knot and trim both ends. Now comb the cord out and you're done. You may find it easier to use your fingers at first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more macrame tutorials. Thanks for watching.